What's up everyone, I'm Ruth from Apps, and this video is dedicated to Shopify partners. If you have been in the Shopify ecosystem for any amount of time, you probably know already that one of the best ways to grow your business in this ecosystem is by partnering with other Shopify partners. I mean, it is the best way to both get new clients and improve the service that you are giving your existing clients. But are you making the most out of each of your partnerships in the Shopify ecosystem? If you're not sure that you are, I have 5 tips for you today that will help you make sure you maximize each one of these partnerships so that the work you've done on networking doesn't go to waste. The first tip would have to be to define clear goals for each type of different partnership. In Shopify, there are a few different types of players in the ecosystem. There are app developers, experts, agencies, and even merchants that are using your services could become partners for you. So for each one of these, you will define different goals. You don't expect to get the same thing out of an agency than you do from an app developer, obviously. So what you need to know in advance is what exactly do you expect to get out of this new potential partnership that you're working on? If you set a clear set of goals for each type of partner, it would be so much easier for you to approach new potential partners and to be clear and effective in your communication with them. If you're not sure what these goals are exactly, just keep watching and some of my other tips will help you define these goals. The next tip is to have a very clear value for your clients from this partnership. Yeah, partnerships are a wonderful marketing opportunity, but they are first and foremost our opportunity to give extra value for our clients. So make sure that you know exactly what kind of value this new partnership of yours will be for your clients. For example, you might be giving them a discount on a new app in the App Store. You might be giving them a discount for a service from an expert or an agency. Or maybe if you're an app developer, you're offering a new feature that is only available through integrations. It might even be just knowledge in a field that you're not very familiar with that your new partner is. Whatever it is, you need to know exactly what kind of value this new partnership gives your clients, because it would help you to communicate with them and let them know about this new partnership and market this new partnership to them. If there is someone that you're thinking of partnering with, but their marketing potential for you is not that great, if they give a really good value to your clients, then you might still want to partner with them. Okay, the third tip is where marketing actually comes into play, and that is to get exposure to new clients. Now, that might be obvious to you. I mean, most people would send out an email announcing a new partnership, maybe even post it on their social media to let their clients know that they have a new partner, send them his way, and you get traffic from that. But that is not nearly enough. Try to use each and every tool of marketing that your new partner has and be in each and every one of the ways that they communicate with their clients, with the merchants that they work with. For example, if they have a blog, try to see if you can write a guest post for their blog. And if possible, get a do follow link from this guest post so that you don't only get people who see their blog to your website, but you also rank a little higher on Google and other search engines. Similarly, if they have a partners page on their website, ask to be there with your logo and link to your website. And of course, you should definitely have a partners page on your website. It both shows people that all of these professionals are working with you, so you must be trustworthy to an extent, and allows you to offer links back to your partners. In Apps, we have this partners section on our homepage. It's just a scrollable logos list of all of our partners with links to their websites. If your new partner communicates with their clients via video or voice, if they have a podcast or a YouTube channel, try to see if you can be a guest in one of those shows. Or if that's not possible, just have them talk about your service or product a little bit and have a link from their show notes and description to your website or app listing or whatever it is. And lastly, this is very important if you are an app developer, don't make do with just emails. Emails get traffic to your app listing once. But if you appear in your new partner's dashboard, on their app dashboard, then clients can get to you long term all the time because they keep seeing this new feature that is only available if they integrate with you. So it is very important to make sure that there is a link to you from your partner's dashboard in the app, whatever it's an integration tab or any other place where it is relevant. Tip number 4 is to offer mutual incentives. This is very simple. Just offer each other an affiliate link. If you have an affiliate program and your partner has an affiliate program, why not use each other's affiliate links to make some extra money on the side? Now, this is good in 2 different ways. One, you can use the affiliate link that you receive to share your new partner everywhere, whatever it is in the emails you send, on social media, on your website, app page, whatever it is, you can get a percentage of the profits for each new client that you refer. The other way this is effective for you is that this new partner that you have has a much higher incentive to actually share your service and your product with their clients, because now they are getting a percentage of the profits from you. So it's a win-win situation. It encourages both sides to share each other a little bit more. And last but definitely not least is to create a system and try to automate the process as much as possible. Now, you might think that when it comes to creating new partnerships and networking, it has to be super personal. And yeah, it is better to be personal and not just send a bulk email while getting the person's name wrong. But you can still automate a lot of the process and make sure that it is as easy as possible for you or an employee that is in charge of this process to execute things in a high level. Some of the best ways to automate this process are things like creating an API if you're an app developer that other apps can integrate with automatically, maybe without even you knowing that there is a new integration, or maybe they do need to contact you first, but the technical work is done on your side and you don't have to redo it all the time. Offer an easy sign-up page for partners in your website, whatever it is, to an affiliate link or just to people who want to contact you and create new partnerships. Make it very clear that you are open to partnerships and looking for them. Create a ready-made media template, whatever it's some sort of a blog post and visual assets for your social media that announces a new integration or a new partnership, and all you have to do every time is change some of the details, some of the names and the logos that you display there. And lastly, create a checklist that makes it super clear for you exactly what needs to happen with each new partnership. This kind of checklist can help you decide if you are willing to work with someone or not, and if you are, exactly what do you expect to get in return, and what are the steps that you need to do to make it good, to make sure it is up to bar with your standards. For eConvert, for example, we have a very clear checklist of what needs to happen for each new partnership, each new integration with the app. Now, some of these things we might give up on or, compromise on if the new partner can't do it, but they are definitely worth the partnership. But some things are basic and essential for us, and we will not give up on them. So we've had in the past to give up some integrations because we could not see eye to eye with the other developer, or the way that they do things is so very different from how we do things that we couldn't really connect. And that's fine. The thing is about the Shopify ecosystem is that it's big enough for you to find the people and companies to work with that will fit your standards and your point of view. So don't compromise things that are essential for you, but do compromise things that are not that essential. These are my 5 top tips from Stelio Apps from all of our works on integrations and partnerships to grow our app. If you have any more tips, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are these things that you're doing already or not? And if not, what do you do? What is your process in creating new partnerships? I'll see you in the next video, and until then, have a great day.